Understanding fluid leakage, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fluid leakage. This is a term you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension. Let's dive in. Fluid leakage refers to the escape of a liquid from a container, system, or space where it's supposed to be contained. It can happen in everyday life, like a water bottle leaking in your bag, or in more technical scenarios, like in machinery or plumbing systems. Understanding this phrase helps you grasp descriptions of both common and specialized situations. 1. Household situations, such as a leaking faucet or a broken pipe. 2. Automotive issues, like oil or coolant leaking from a car. 3. Medical references. In discussing bodily fluids, for example, a wound leaking blood. 4. Industrial and mechanical scenarios, where leakages of fluids can indicate malfunctioning equipment. In each context, the phrase, fluid leakage, highlights a problem that needs attention. Leak, the act or instance of leaking. Seepage, slow, often unnoticeable leakage. Spill, sudden, accidental flow of liquid. Drip, to fall in drops, often associated with a leak. Familiarizing yourself with these terms can enhance your understanding of discussions around fluid leakage. Understanding and identifying fluid leakage is crucial for safety and maintenance. In cars, it can prevent breakdowns. In households, it avoids water damage. In industrial settings, it's vital for preventing accidents and ensuring efficient operations. That's all for today's lesson on fluid leakage. We hope this has been informative and helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and comprehension. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.